Hello and welcome back to Privilege Check, a podcast where two girls from different backgrounds come together to unveil the realities of modern society. I'm Loveleen.
And I'm Shivangi. So, this podcast, we want to reach out to the privileged.
You already know you have because you have access to this podcast.
And teach them the 101s how to not be a privileged prick.
In this episode, we are, as you must have read in the title and read our description and our thumbnail as well this time, you know that it's all about aspirations, ventures, and struggles of
And
basically starting out on your own and how lonely it can be.
yeah, so this episode was very hard to, get us on board for because it's going to be very personal. We're probably going to let a lot of people know that they've hurt us. More than we've already let them know in our episodes, but they don't listen to that. So, but this episode was really, really hard to just go ahead
I
with.
mean, just thinking about like having to talk about all of this so that we can.
To a
It's
public audience
it's
and like admit
difficult, yeah.
that it was
But yeah, but it's also very important because it's only through this that we'll be able to like connect with our audience. And you have been sending us so much appreciation, and we just felt that it's really necessary to do this.
and we also wanted to say that we wanted to make this episode primarily because we wanted to not glorify what starting out feels like. It's not easy to get success, it's not easy to grow. You don't grow overnight. It is a lot of consistent efforts, and that's why we wanted to make this episode as well. Let our listeners know that it just doesn't happen overnight.
I mean, I think it's very important that everyone understands that as Shivangi is saying about growing overnight and how it doesn't happen, I think we put in so much efforts to grow overnight as well because we expect because everybody is going to support you when you start out because it's something new, it's something that's just out there, and everybody is excited because they related to you. And
Yeah.
you might think you are growing overnight, like, oh, you know what, we have so many people and they're all supporting us and it's amazing, but it really just subverts down and it just disappears. You might even feel like it really just disappears in a few sittings, in a few sessions as well. So sometimes it could be months that you go out in terms with your relations, in terms with people you know and them supporting you, but then that's not going to last long.
Yeah.
So while all of this feels so much like success to you, it really isn't. So your entire overnight dream, it's an illusion.
Yeah, and like especially you see like one of the hard things that were hard that was like probably the hardest for us to deal with was that fact that all of these people, like these multitude of people from very different backgrounds, very different friend circles, they all are saying that how proud they are and how they can't believe that we could do something like this. Like 18 years old could do something like this that no other 18-year-old was doing. And it's great. It feels honestly, we were humble when we received all of this, but it feels way too great when people tell you all of this, and your ego just hits, like it just hits to the rooftop, beyond the rooftop. And personally, we did let it get to us. Like all of the compliments that we got on the first day, we didn't even post an episode. We just made an account and we circulated it everywhere, and we got really good feedback, and it really got to us. I would really recommend that when you get all of this, please don't concentrate your entire hope on these people. Congratulating is one thing, but being your consumer, being the target audience that you want to attack is very different. So that's just one of many things we wanted to address, but one we definitely wanted to start with. That be consistent about who you want to attack. Hold on. I don't think.
Yeah. Hmm. I mean, when we say this, we really want to make it clear that we genuinely appreciate all the
Yeah,
compliments that we receive. It, it touches our hearts. It's very overwhelming. and it really puts a smile on our face, and which is rare, but
Yeah.
it does. So yeah, we genuinely appreciate your support. We genuinely appreciate all that you say to us. Even when you criticize us, it really helps us grow, and it only improves us. And as we've mentioned this multiple times before, any kind of feedback, anything at all is acceptable. We are as reachable to you. Even though we are using a medium that seems like a one-way conversation, it is not. We are
Hmm.
trying to make this so accessible. We are trying to be so accessible to you. And we want this to be a two-way conversation so that we all grow together. It's not us giving you unsolicited advice. It's just us building a relationship so that everything is much better than it is. And it's better for everybody else so that we use our privilege to make things better.
It's just so funny to me how Laveen's being so lovey-dovey, and that's why I actually started laughing because she's being so affectionate right now to you listeners. Like, you will not catch her doing this at all. So, we genuinely mean this when we're saying this, that you guys really put a smile to our face. Quite literally, we don't want to cry, but quite literally,
Yeah,
this
I can
podcast
literally
is
see
single-handedly.
Shivangi remember all of the emotions. It even like thinking about all of this uh, when we started out in September and where we are today and discussing this, we are so smiley. I can literally feel that Shivangi is going to tear up any moment
Yeah,
now. You can see her be red. So
yeah.
that's how
I,
emotional
I'm
all
a
of this
cry
gets us.
baby, but we genuinely like. I can bet on this when I say that this podcast is single-handedly the best thing that makes my entire week. Recording,
Yeah,
editing, and watching all of your DMs, reading all of your DMs, and listening to the episode. It makes my day. And
yeah. I'll just say that. Uh, it makes our day, it makes our week. And recording this podcast, everybody keeps asking us how we do this because most of our classmates are in awe of how we are handling classes as well as a podcast. And like everybody knows that
definitely.
Shivangi and I are always onto something.
Hmm.
It could be together, it could be separately, but we are always busy and we are always doing something. So everybody asks us how it keeps us going. It is difficult. We won't lie, it's genuinely difficult. But I think your support really keeps us going. And I'm not just saying it, but I mean it when I say this. That
Definitely.
if you like the thing that keeps us to get up, that makes us get up and like sit down, write our scripts, record, edit, and all of that, it's
Make
really just
content, think about
yeah,
campaigns, all of the BT, what would be better for BTS, and the thought that
yeah,
goes into choosing the snippet. It's not a 5 second conversation. We discuss this for
exactly.
15 minutes,
we
half an hour. That's
we
how
go
long.
through the entire we talk over each other a lot. We go through the entire week thinking about what has to go out when and what exactly
Yeah.
will it be, and we put so much thought into it because we want what's best.
Hmm.
And it's not just us, it's you, because we receive good response from you, and that's what just makes us want to produce better as well.
Yeah, and like we're planning, and we're also planning to uh, extend what we're doing right now throughout the week. We're planning to extend it, and that is something I'll especially be excited about. But just to reiterate the fact that we're putting so much effort into making your days better. You're making your days, making you feel more enlightened about the world around you while you sit around in your room during this pandemic. Didn't I didn't mean for that to sound very snobby. It's just, oh my god, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean to sound very snobby. Listeners, I hope you realize that it is a predicament you're in and we understand. That's all.
Hmm.
Yeah. So do you want to go start talking about the response we got after we released the first episode?
Can you repeat?
Okay, you can't hear me. Are you
I
half
can't.
deaf or something? Sorry. Uh,
Probably.
अब भी सुन रहा है तू मैं फालतू बोल रही हूँ तब सुनाई दे रहा है तुमको
तुम जोर से बोलो ना.
अरे ये देख रही हो इधर जोर से बोलती हूँ मेरे को एकदम हाँ so what I was saying was do you want to start talking about the first the feedback we got after we released the first episode now is,
मम्मा अब तुम बोलोगे मैं मुश्किल से उसे सुन पा रही हूँ.
my god why is my audio like this
बोलोगे अब मैं क्या सुनूंगी. I require earphones, but then earphones just makes our quality much worse. I'm so close to putting that call center wala headphone.
please ये सब तुमको कैसे सुनाई दे रहा है यार okay I'll speak louder this time so do you want to talk about the kind of feedback we received after we released the first episode
Definitely. Why not?
because I don't think anything else can prepare our listeners if they want to be entrepreneurs themselves. I don't think there's a better example than talking about that. We have an entire doc, by the way. If our listeners did not know, we have a doc that compiled all of the feedback we got from our target audience.
Yes.
It's just really disappointing to say the least, but it's okay. We'll just talk about it.
I'll just tell you briefly what the document consists of, because it's not super secret as such, but we were so excited because when we released our first episode, we got so much feedback and it was very difficult to digest. It was difficult to contain. And amongst the two of us, we have mutual friends as well, whereas we have like friends who are not mutual. Dumb moment. Anyway, so it was difficult for us to understand what our listeners are perceiving from what we are producing. And it was very difficult to also understand how we can improve and what you guys want, which is of utmost importance to us. That is our top priority. So it was difficult. So we made a document where we had compiled everything that you guys have told us. Everything where it was negative, positive, and neutral as well. So we had like the names of the people, their sources, like from where we got the feedback and all of that, and what they had told us and how we could work on it.
A special column for the sound and everything. Remember? What did they say about the sound? What did they say about the and then special remarks. It was very specific. We were very specific about what. Yeah. And
the thing is we are very I don't know, I want a better word for professional. We are very serious about this.
Yeah.
Like, it might sound like we say like we're just two girls and we're just doing this, but we are genuinely serious about
it. Like the fact that we're going for what, like we've released like 11 episodes if I'm not wrong, or this would be our 11th, I'm not sure. But this might be our 11th, or we've actually released 11 episodes. That's so many. 2 episodes are 45-minute episodes. You have 90 minutes right there. Then 9 of these are 15-minute episodes. If you realize how the hours of
do the math.
I'm not doing the math.
I'm not doing the math. We both. Yeah.
Auto wala se
so all the science kids and commerce kids who were up in our DMs giving us like suggestions about marketing.
Yes.
You can do the math.
The floor is open for you.
This is how you can help us finally.
Take the damn mic and tell us what is the solution for this question.
Yeah. What's the calculation? Yeah. You tell us. We will include everyone. We always include everyone.
Obviously.
That's us. Cool kids.
Now you have a purpose in life because of us. You get to do calculation for privilege check. That's a flex if I ever saw one.
See? We think about everyone equally.
Yeah.
Like
we're very
we're just so giving. We give.
Yeah, we love being benevolent.
Yeah.
So I'd like to make a video for this. That'll be a weird one. But yes.
But yeah,
Always saying,
as
yeah.
much as like we shame you guys for saying something like that, like giving us marketing tips to BMM kids, as much as we shame, like even when we got your STEM kids, science kids, even when we got your feedback, we genuinely appreciate it as well. We
It's just
appreciated
that you don't have any
appreciated
understanding of
it
the
as
media.
well.
Yeah, we appreciated it, but you just don't have any understanding of the media. So that's
Yeah.
why we shamed you. But yeah, like what I was saying, we put hours of footage. Like it's
Yeah.
hours and hours of footage, and
it's not even that कि मतलब हमारा our recording is done in 15 minutes, like for 15 minutes episodes. There is no
I
way
am
that
the
happens.
editor for normal episodes, and for
Yeah,
I'm the
she's
audio
like the
editor.
audio editor.
So you can rest be assured that I have to work my I have to work my bleep off, because we are two people, talkative people, who literally
Yeah.
don't shut up, and we go off topic so often. These are 2 hour
If you
episodes.
listen to unscripted, you know how much we talk, because unscripted is the minimum edited version of like our
Definitely.
series. So you know that we have the capability of talking for 45 minutes straight.
We
So
can
that
go on and on.
normal episodes are no different. We just keep talking. We go on and on about things. We discuss
Exactly.
things in depth.
And so
It's just how we are.
it's just so much. Look at our throat condition. We're not healthy kids as well. So it
Yeah.
doesn't get easy anywhere. Nothing is easy. The production isn't easy at all because your body doesn't cooperate. Your family, your neighborhood doesn't cooperate. Lovely has trucks. I have kids playing every time I record.
I
Today,
live close to the fire brigade and the hospital. I mean,
you
how
live next to a
much
garage.
worse could it get?
How can you forget the quintessential part it plays in destroying us down? You cannot forget the garage.
And a truck passes by right there, right then with two horns. The amount of
Now nobody
editing.
cooperates, and we're using our example, but we just want our listeners to know it straight away. कोई नहीं तुम्हारे फिक्र करने वाला है. You have
Yeah.
to make it for yourself. Everybody,
And
quite literally the
thing is that
phrase,
you can't even.
you against the world. That's it. That's
And
you.
the thing is that you can't even use these as excuses, or you can't even use your shortcomings. Like you can't just
The
bang
audience
on them
doesn't
and say
care.
that इसके वजह से नहीं हो रहा है, because that's not going to work. That's not going to work out. If you want to make it big, if you want to make it, if you want to be successful, basically, you're going to have to work against your odds. Work against the odds. I keep fumbling so much. But you're used to it now. The bottom line is that so the people who heard the previous episode know what this inside joke was
The
about.
people who
Not
the people who belong to people who belong to the. Do you remember that? That's also in the same people.
Yeah. The
How
bottom
do
line
you
is
exception so easily? Just repeat.
stop. Let me speak. The bottom line is see, you all also have said this 3 times now. It's not working. Basically, you are going to have to work for yourself. You don't have resources, you create resources. We're working without mics. We're working near the highway. The road is right there. We're working against all of this, and we're not boasting about it. We're not saying that, oh, hum itna acha kar rahe hain, tum kyun nahi kar sakte. We're just giving you our example so that you are motivated to work better as well. So everybody who asks us how do we do this and how do we work, we have to work. There is no two ways, and there is no easy way out as well.
Definitely.
You just have to work. It's one way. There is like you and I, us and ourselves and our listeners, two-way conversation. You and your struggle, your journey is a one-way thing. It's a one-way street. There is nobody who's going to come around and say तुम it's okay बेटा तुम नहीं कर सकते हो, so we'll give you a leeway, तुम tum aa jana, it's not going to work.
Exactly. Nobody cares. The audience is not going to listen to the Mahabharat of, oh, तुम्हारे ये खराब है, तुम्हारा वो खराब है, तुम थक गए थे, इससे तुम्हारा आवाज खराब है. Nobody is gonna care. So
We got bad reviews for, everybody knows this by now, that we got bad reviews for our sound for our first 2 to 3 episodes. And
for sound.
Yeah, for sound, yeah, for our first 2-3 episodes. And we improved in each episode little by little. We
If you
tried,
listen
we
to
tested.
gender, to listen to gender
Yeah,
and technology, that is the finest sound quality you're going to get.
exactly.
It surpasses what mics have, Lovely. I'm
Yeah.
honest, not even considering investing now for a mic.
Because recently when we've asked, specifically we've asked people about our sound, because that was one of our major drawbacks, which was major cons. We asked people specifically about the sound, and they said no, it's good enough now. Like, we don't even realize that you don't have a mic and you are facing issues with it, because the thing is that one shortcoming, we have to top it with another resource, or with perseverance, with hard work. So like, if we are falling back, we're falling short on our sound quality because of shortage of resources, because we don't have a mic specifically, or whatever, we make sure that we make it better in the editing, or when we are recording, we make sure that we sit in a place where it's minimal sound, or we're trying, or we record 2-3 times. In fact, there are lines that we are
without my
repeating.
pankha off. Without my pankha off.
Shwangi sitting without
Mumbai
her
weather.
pankha. Exactly. And we make sure all of this works out for us. We make sure that does. It's not that things are going to fall into place. You have to make them fall into place. That's the thing.
You have to buck up. That's the bottom line of everything that we've said right now. There's no one. Can't have an excuse. That's it.
Let's just take a 2 minutes. So, Shwangi, I think we should move on to what we feel is like the most touching part of this episode. It's talking about how starting out alone can be difficult, because it's so lonely, because it's a one person, it's like we started out together, so we had each other's support, but starting out and doing things alone can be very difficult and very secluded and isolated. It gives you a very not so good feeling, let's say that. So let's just, what do you have to say about that?
Like I've mentioned before, right? It literally, it's not lonely as in, oh, you're working with this person, yet it still feels incomplete. That's not the loneliness we're talking about. But you feel so small in this world. Like while you're entering this market, it's not that we entered with no knowledge about what the podcasting industry is and who, is up there. We knew about this. But to go there, to attend all of these podcasting events, when you see all of these podcasters with like technical terms, and you see all of them experience asking like genuinely good questions, and you're just like, okay, did not consider that. And you realize how small you are, because people who are bigger than you are complaining about getting bigger. And you are still stuck at, well, I don't remember how many plays we had, but whatever. So we're still stuck at that digit, and it just feels like you're not ever going to grow. And that feeling of like you're going to be in this stagnation, in this, like, I don't know, like this stagnation.
Yeah, and I completely get what you're saying, because there will be so many people who get inspired by you, or who just want to copy you for the sake of it, and they will start out with you, and just lost connection in your back, but we're good to go now. Such issues, like, but it's not even these technological shortcomings and lack of resources that kind of bothers us as much as not growing does. The thing is that there will be so many people who start out with you or after you or are following you sort of, and you will see them grow, or you'll have mutual friends and the same kind
Yes.
of people follow so many different people, and you'll see that particular person support this one other friend of yours or an acquaintance or whoever, and then they don't do that for you, and you would just feel like it's the end of it, and you have burned out. But the key is to keep going. I think that's what it is. You would expect that people will support you and they'll be with you and they'll sort of give you they'll motivate you and all of that, but it doesn't happen. And it's not just because you're not good enough. It's not that. Most of the times,
Yeah.
definitely it's a cue for you to keep improving your content. It's a cue for you to improve yourself, but it's not just because you're bad, because you're not good enough. You have to make sure that you are true to what you started out as. You have to make sure that the content that you had in mind that you would put out, you stay true to that, because that's who you are.
Hmm.
You will not be able to please everyone. Your content isn't vada pav that everybody is going to like it. Not everyone likes vada pav as well. So it's not going to work out. It's not going to work out for everyone through the line. It's going to have negatives, positives. And the same person, even though they might be following the same kind of content from some other producer and not you, you might want to target them. You might want to know what is it that's missing in you. And most of the times, or some of the time, like whatever, at times it could be that it's not your fault. At times it could just be like, just nahi dekhna, just not in
Yeah.
the mood, just don't want to. It's not that your content is lacking, but but at the same time, while we say that, these are cues for you to know that there is a place where you could explore while not changing yourself.
Yeah,
It's a difficult
definitely.
battle. It's definitely a difficult battle, where you stop, where you start, but that's why it's a battle. No battles are easy, and that's where we learn, that's where we grow, and that's where we work.
Yeah. I have
Back
nothing
at
to
you,
say.
Shivangi. The thing is that it's really crazy for us to be talking about all of this at this hour, because, like, deep stuff, talk at 11 p.m. We're
Yeah.
recording at 4 o'clock. It's hot. We're tired. We have things to do.
It's like and also the fact that it's incredibly hard to actually be vulnerable about this, because I mean our what do you call it? Our numerics are not bad. Like whatever
Yeah.
statistics we're getting, it's not bad for somebody who just started with two people who have limited friend circles and limited, so people who would actually put their effort into all of this. It's not bad. I mean, from an objective point of view, it's not bad, but it still stings, like when, like how Yogi said, people are going to consume this kind of content from that producer, but they're not going to consume from you. It stings that, obviously. Now, I don't know what I'm saying.
The thing is that what Shivangi, I would like to just give it some sort of structure, maybe. It's a BMM kid inside joke.
Less
Um,
cost is always better.
yeah. Um, anyway, what we're trying to say here is that you could be doing great as well. You could be doing better than you expected to. But there could be this one person, and that could ruin it. Like this one person who doesn't care about your content. This
Yeah,
one person who doesn't want to be bothered. and you're just wondering why not me, why not us, why not what we're doing, why not what I'm doing, and what is wrong there, and that could just ruin it for you. But
Yeah,
then, as we have kept saying, you just have to hang in there, you just have to keep doing what you do.
yeah. And like
Make sure
even
that what
and
you do
don't,
is something that resonates with you, so it's easier to do, it's
yeah,
something that you like doing, it's something you're enjoying. Because
definitely.
honestly, Shivangi and I love recording, we love doing this, so it's easier for us to keep going.
And like with regards to staying true to the things that you're passionate about, that talk about that. This is something we stuck with, and it is working incredibly well for us. When we started
Yeah.
out with the first episode, we got a lot of feedback about how the episode should sound like, and it should be more conversation, it should be more you people being rude as you are in class, and all of that thing. And we thought about it, we considered it, and we were like, no, but that's not, we're not actually educating people if you're doing that. If you're just being quirky, we're just making somebody feel bad about their privilege. But you're not getting out of this conversation with some kind of enlightenment. So we chucked that idea. So you'll get a lot of feedback, and a lot of these will be appealing, and a lot of them will guarantee quick success, like collabs with you know people who have better reach, better followers than you, who are attractive. All of this will get you instant, hopefully instant. All of this guarantee instant success. But if they
Hmm.
do not match the kind of content you're doing, if you cannot find a way to make a connection between these, please do not fall for these. Likes and followers are attractive, but at the end of the day, when you blow up and when people look at your old posts and they see that you just did it to grow, there's no sincerity in your content there. You're just doing it to grow there. You're not doing it to whatever the purpose you started the venture with.
And even if you're growing, even if you are using all the proper strategies to grow and you blow up, but and your content isn't sincere, then you're just a meme page.
Yeah,
You will get a few laughs, you will get a few likes, you will get everybody talking about you for a while until the next best meme comes along. And that's not what we are looking for. We're looking for making things better. We're looking for having real talk, if that's what you want to call it. we're
yeah,
we're not looking to just blow up and just everyone's going to talk about us, and then we're going to have one viral video and then everybody's going to talk about. That's not how things are working for us, and that's not our big plan as well.
yeah. Now, listeners, now that we've talked about what it's like to start your own business, we'll be moving on to responding some of the questions that you guys have sent us. We put up a story recently, and we wanted to get your feedback about what we should cover in our next unscripted. And you have showered us with so many responses. Uh, we won't be taking all of them, unfortunately. We don't have the time right now. We'll only be answering a few selected of them. And but anyways, we're grateful for all of the responses you guys gave us. Now, the first one that caught us eye that we realized that we've never talked about. Somehow we've never talked about in our 11 episodes, and that is our friendship, how we met, job we met.
You want to know about? Okay.
Yeah. So who's gonna start?
Oh,
Do I start or do you start?
moment of truth. What, I thought you were saying something.
No, I'm
Are
not saying
you?
it.
Should I?
Should I start?
Okay, I can.
Okay.
We have such bad internet, ठीक है? I'm just going to talk about this. Our friendship, मतलब ये तो इतने जन्मों जन्मों का रिश्ता है. It's it's not. We know each other since a year. That's
Yeah.
it. Yeah, we met in FY Sapphire BMM,
Yeah.
and we
And
met.
because
This
of
this has to. be some kind
Drum
of
roll.
Bollywood. Yeah. This is the story of how we met. You know, that kind of thing. This is all that.
It's so cringy to talk
So
about.
if
God.
these people are wondering how this happened and the reason that privilege check is what it is today is Shivangi's mother.
Yeah. So I'll expand on that. So my mom
Yeah.
is a very social person, not me at all. So she was the one who went around asking everybody in the line who is a BMM student so that I would have a friend. And Navleen just happened to be standing
Literally
behind
came
her.
up to me and she was like, तुम क्या कर रही हो? And I was like, auntie BMM. She's like, तुम BMM कर रही हो? मेरी बेटी है शिवांगी, वो भी BMM ही कर रही है.
What
BMM
for
में हो
what?
ना? I was like, yeah.
That's
And then she goes on to tell me about how her face was in
no.
the paper.
I thought that is
I low-key hated Shivangi that day. I was like, यार इससे तो मेरी कभी नहीं बनने वाली है, because
this card.
and yet
We
somehow
didn't
privilege
really like we didn't really talk much even when after we met because I was with somebody I was with another kind of subgroup that we had in our group and you were with some other subgroup and then I don't know what happened
Yeah.
when we somehow just ditched all of these other people and just
we used to, I think, like our college began in what, July, August, wherever it did, until like September. We weren't like, oh, we're going to sit together and talk together and all that. We weren't like that. We weren't close at all.
yeah like we were a
But then
part of a
something happened
I don't
somehow.
know
We
what
till date
happened.
we don't know the day that we actually decided that okay, we're going to. Till date we don't know how it turned out.
Because I remember we were in the train the first day going back and we were just discussing how conjuice we are and what our priorities are. We were just talking about that.
Yeah.
And even after doing all of that, we didn't bond. Like
No. I remember the first train conversation we had. I remember it.
what is
And
it
I thought
called?
that I could never be friends with you that day.
Oh, did I make you cry? Was it that one? And you said you
No,
went home and
what?
cried.
When did you make me cry?
You told me you went and cried because of something I said in the train. Oh, were you showing me
Eh?
your pictures? Was
I
that
don't remember all this.
the drawings that you do? Was that the
What?
first? Oh no, Taj Mahal was the first train conversation.
Yeah, Taj Mahal was the first conversation.
Oh, I was thinking solo conversation like ab hum dono ka because that was when you showed me your
No. The first time we were traveling back from college home, and we spoke about Taj Mahal. And my very talented friend here didn't know where Agra is situated. And I thought that day that I couldn't be friends with her ever.
and yet here I am telling you guys that you are the wrong people. Life's just
Together.
life's crazy. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, definitely. That's about it.
Yeah. So yeah, basically neither of us thought that we'd. The bottom line is we never thought that we'd be each other's friends, but we are.
Yeah.
And we
This
have
has
a
always
podcast.
happened with me. People I don't
Yeah.
bond with pehle, I just end up being really close friends. Now the next question is, Olivia, do you want to take this one?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go to what should we take up now?
Coordinate so much we already
I
talked.
just want to mention this one comment where somebody says episode on why Modi rocks. Hashtag Jai Shri Ram.
Who did
I
that?
mean,
Guys, come out. Who did that?
I'm not going to say it. It's anonymous. I'm not going to say it.
Okay.
But whoever this person is, you know who you are. Shivangi is just stuck down laughing. But I mean, no, we're not going to do that.
Yeah, that's a
I'm just
veto.
telling you straight up. Yeah,
Vetoed your
it's
idea,
just,
right?
yeah.
We only speak facts.
But genuinely, we are not two people who are very Modi fan supporters. It's just us being
Clarifying for
sarcastic
the
about it.
umpteenth time, we are not Modi supporters.
Yeah.
Somehow it
Yeah,
still needs clarification, Naveen. Somehow.
I know exactly. Why does this need? I think it's just because they were all misguided by our birthdays being the same.
Yeah?
I think the entire thing of zodiac signs is just trumped because Modi and I have the same
Yeah.
birthday.
I think we
And
just need
however
that
sad
one.
Shivangi must be about it,
I swear
it's
to
just
God, if
how it
any of
is.
the likes we get are Jai Shri Ram people, then we don't want it.
Anyway, to the next thing.
Yeah.
What do we say?
We have we have these questions
Could
on
we?
how to be your friend, please.
I can't hear you well, Shivangi.
How to be your friend, please.
How to be our friend? You just have to like give us a lot of
Hold on, I have
things.
to say it
You're going to have
nicely.
to shower us with Zara and Gucci, and take us to trips to H&M, and you just basically have to buy our friendship. We're exquisite people, elitist, so that's the only way. That's for me. For Shivangi, तुम्हें बस मेंदू वड़ा खिलाना पड़ेगा from that one particular uncle near college, and that's it.
What you need to do to be my friend is, wait, I can't even use the word. Sorry. What you need to do to be my friend is support me when I say that somebody is a bad person. That's all conversations I have with Laveen. So you need to be somebody who actively hates people. That's one requisite. You need to be a friend. Yeah, that's it.
Or pull her away when she's trying to fight with people. When she has a sore throat.
Yeah.
Tell her, Shivangi, nahi train chut jayegi. And take her away. That's
I
how
was
you be
thinking
a
about
friend.
that. I lost my voice this week, right? For 3 days or something again because my body does not cooperate. And I was on voice rest, okay? And to be on voice rest when you live with your parents is just so hard. I was not recovering my voice because I kept yelling at them and I still haven't recovered completely. You need to be that friend. Okay, any next question you want to take?
But no, like, just to clarify, confirm, you just have to like talk to us about our podcast, and we'll just have a common ground to talk on, and then
Yeah,
we can be friends. How to be
definitely.
my friend. I hope it's not some creepy person asking how to be friends.
I think yeah, it's no, I think we no, yeah,
Anyway, let's move on. Do you want to?
no, it's not.
Yeah, I'm going to answer a day in the life of two Kanju students. Since you all don't IG much, okay, I read comments like an old uncle, basically.
Yeah,
Yeah, a day in the life
thank
of
you
two Kanju
for
students.
very subtly telling us
It's
that you're
pretty.
old.
Are you saying something?
No, that's all.
Okay. Um, to answer this, um, we are having some content piece coming out really soon. Maybe you can tune in and check that. But yeah, I don't know if you guys want like a day in the life of us, or like vlog videos, a day in the life of Shivangi, a day in the life of Laveen. Just comment below, OP in the chat.
I am already waving my finger. This is my sign to say no. Please don't comment.
My
Vlogs
name
are
is
this ruins my edgy fabric, man, to do a vlog.
But no, guys, मैं बोल रही हूँ. OP in the chat, OP in the comments below saying day in the life of dash dash dash. Enter name. If we get 1,000 comments, we will do it.
Yeah. Okay, so I पापा का हो गया.
Shwangi, do you want to take another one?
Yes, I will be back in a minute. Habitual to privilege chat. We had another internet issue. There was a second mistake, and but now we're back. So we'll be continuing with the responses. There's one that really interests me, and well, it feels nice to flex about it. So I'll obviously answer that. The question is, how do you all coordinate so much? Please share tips to be productive. चलो लवली एक्सपर्टीज है हमारे पास इसके लिए तो निकाल दो सारी की सारी हमारी knowledge. Can you not hear me?
No. बहुत कट रहा है. So I was trying to figure out what you're saying.
So, lovely. The question is, how do you all coordinate so much? Please share tips to be productive. So, I think we have a pretty good expertise about the practically did a PhD on this. And so, do you want to start with sharing some of your tips about this entire issue?
Definitely. I mean, we sing so much that we talk over each other. So, I mean, if that's what you want to learn, then I don't think it's that difficult.
Yeah.
Take an equally brained person, friend, just with the same equal amount of brain cells, and you talk.
And
I mean,
professionalism.
I think it just comes.
I think professionalism is a
I don't know
key.
why you guys ask every question. Yeah, it's just.
Yeah,
To be
definitely.
productive, I would say is where do I even start? You just don't scroll through social media a lot all the time.
And
You
this
don't
is
do
the
that.
favorite thing.
What are you doing?
Netflix logo.
That's how great our coordination is. She does something
You guys haven't even seen the video, but
and you don't Netflix. You watch documentaries. You don't Netflix. That's just straight up.
I think your
out.
answer actually connects with the question you want to ask next, right? I think that would
Yeah.
be better if we take
We'll just combine the two questions. So what Shivangi addressed was how we coordinate and how we are so productive. And the next question we were supposed to take up, let me just quote this. Maybe book records, recommendations. Oh, maybe book recommendations and what you'll refer for your research because it's damn good. Okay, firstly, thank you, whoever this is. You know who you are. Thank you for saying we're damn
welcome.
good. But yeah, so connecting the two questions, I'll just say that basically we read a lot, we watch a lot of documentaries. So we just try to retain of what all we go through the maximum as much as possible. And then when we talk, because most of the things that we talk about are things that we have spoken about earlier as well. So it becomes very difficult for us to cite exactly where we've read what. We do have records of what we're referring to, and we give out our references in our podcast itself if there are any. So yeah, but yeah, how to be productive, like I was saying, was you don't waste time and you're not scrolling to Instagram or Netflix. We are documentary fans. We will watch documentaries any day over Netflix.
Definitely.
So that is also some place that our research lies, and that is also one way of being productive.
Yeah. And
Something
also,
else that Shivangi would like to add.
yeah, I would like to add something. And also, I forgot what I wanted to add now. of my brain.
I mean, not saying that Netflix does not have quality, good content, but it does. But you know, it has a very different purpose, uh, which does not really resonate with us. Like most of the content is very entertainment based, and that's it. So, as much
It's just
as
that,
it is important for the entertainment industry, it's not to us as much as something else that would give us more value. It's
yeah,
like
two things.
documentaries. And
Yeah,
Bhatwardhan OP in the chat.
yeah. Two things I want to add to that. The first would be that the kind of content Netflix puts out, we're 20 years old. It's been done 50 times before. We've seen 50 renditions of the same thing. And you guys are seeing the same damn thing anyways. Yeah, 19, we're 19. So that's what the problem with Netflix is. If it's going to be same kachra, they're going to republish every time. Please have the brains to reject that kachra. Second point, to be productive, regarding productivity, I would suggest, and where we do our research, both of these, I think the very platform that we're using right now, podcasts, I think they are really, really, really useful in doing something else and still getting genuinely good information about places you've not been and people you've not met. It is damn good. You can multitask basically. So one recommendation right there is to listen to podcasts apart from ours. So yeah. Yeah, I think that's about it. We sorry guys, we won't be responding to the other responses we got. It will take too much time.
If you are genuinely looking for recommendations, we would suggest you do listen to our podcast because we make a lot of references and you could just use those. Like you would
Yeah,
see me obsess over Anand Patwardhan any day. So you know that that is something
yeah,
that we use as reference. That is a recommendation and that's a given. So
def-
yeah, we would suggest that because genuinely going through everything that we uh, consume would be very time consuming.
yeah.
Or you could just like hit us up or something. We'll
Uh,
be we'll be
yes,
happy to help you out with that.
definitely. Um, yeah. Is there any other
Like just
question?
including it in the episode itself would take a lot of time and it would also, sort of be boring for people who aren't interested.
Yeah, definitely.
And as we've mentioned earlier, you guys are our top priority. So, and we are doing the research for you, so you don't have to really worry about it.
Yeah,
So, or
it's
worry
fine.
about
We're
our recommendations
taking,
because we've read that and we've analyzed it and then we're talking to you. So
yeah,
you kind of have a glimpse into what it is.
we've condensed
But if you want to go
bundles.
deep,
We've condensed bundles of research for you exactly for the reason that you don't have to go scour internet for all of these. So don't worry.
you are privileged to have privilege check.
Like I said,
It's
once
actually a
upon a
line that's
time,
been used on me a lot. Like when people would just tell me things like that, like, "Oh, I know privilege check ka host. I'm so privileged to know privilege check ka host." Like, guys, please, पता है मैंने भी सोचा हुआ है वो पन. तुमने भी
yeah,
सोचा हुआ है
I
पन.
have
तुम
said
भी
it
यही,
once.
हम भी यही.
I'm very privileged to be the close friend of privilege chat.
Yeah, host. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We get all of that. You can stop it or don't.
Feed us attention.
We've been back. We're tired as well, but it was amazing fun. It was
It
great
was much
recording this.
easier than, you were scared about this episode, but it turned out great.
We were super scared because it was us showing like a very close part of what it's been like to be on privilege check, what it's been like to sort of, this whole journey. It's been sort of overwhelming, to say the least. But yeah, you've been with us and we're grateful for that. We're grateful for all the appreciation. We're grateful for all the love that we receive. We're grateful for just you guys existing as our supporters and me fumbling constantly. Just these things, cute little things. Nice.
enduring my annoying real voice. Thank you so much for enduring my real voice. Thank you.
Our weird, annoying voice.
Yeah.
My every time me going with hello and privilege, hello and privilege, bus, fumble here as well. You guys staying through all of that. It was nice.
Yeah.
This sounds like a speech we would give, like a thank you speech for our last episode, but it's not our last episode. Stay tuned. We will be
We
back.
have much more exciting content coming up. So
Yes.
should be exciting.
Cool kids here. We have a lot going on.
Creative juices. Definitely.
Yes.
Yeah.
Swangi, go ahead. Thank our listeners.
Of course.
do that.
More than what we already did. I'll just do my formal
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for listening to Privilege.
Get into the mode.
Let me get into my air hostess mode, okay? I have a genuinely potential career as a air hostess, listeners. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Thank you for listening to Privilege Check podcast. If you like this episode, then please leave a review on Apple Podcasts or by personally messaging us on Instagram.
Or comment below. Like us. Subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. That's at Privilege Check. That's PRIVILEGECHK. Here's to an enlightened life. Don't forget to share, follow, subscribe, like, etc., etc. And listen to Privilege Check on Spotify, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, YouTube.
We're on Facebook and LinkedIn as well.
Pocket.
So go over
Yeah.
there, guys. We're on there as well.